Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your username and the exact 8-digit recovery code saved when you enabled two-factor. Open Instagram and go to the login screen, enter your username, then tap Get Help Logging In or Forgot Password. Once done, choose the option Use Recovery Code when prompted. Instagram will display a field specifically for that 8-digit code. Enter the code carefully because a single-digit mistake blocks progress. Make sure your device has a stable connection before continuing. Now you enter the recovery code and complete the middle steps that confirm it's really you. You should type the 8-digit code exactly into the provided field. Copying and pasting prevents typos, but be cautious with clipboard exposure. After the code is accepted, Instagram may ask for a new password, recent activity confirmation, or email/phone verification. Follow these prompts. Because this is a sensitive change, make a strong new password and store the recovery code and credentials in a secure password manager for future use. Finish by setting a new, strong password and re-enable two-factor authentication to restore full protection. Once you save changes, log out and back in to verify everything works. Make sure backup codes are stored in at least 2 safe places. If the recovery code fails, double-check for similar digits like 0 versus O and allow time for rate limits. If it still fails, use the Need More Help flow to submit ID verification to Instagram. One tip: avoid public Wi-Fi during recovery to reduce account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.